Hello students, in our last lecture we have started with the question bank solution of chapter number 6 part 1 we have already done. In that we have solved the objectives multiple choice question, then we have we have solved the 1 marks question, 1 sentence, and then we have done with the 2 marks questions. Only 3 marks questions and 4 marks questions were remaining. So today we will continue with the remaining questions. Okay. So let us start with the 3 marks question. The first question for 3 marks that is given in your question bank is draw a neat and labeled diagram of root tip showing root hair zone. So for this diagram, for this question, you have to draw this diagram, and in this diagram you have to do this labelings, that is root cap, meristematic region, zone of elongation, root hair zone, maturation zone. Now listen, it is not necessary to label all the parts. For 3 correct label you will get 1 mark each. That means this question is for 3 marks. In that you have to do any 3 labelings, correct labelings. But remember students, always do the extra labeling. You have to do at least 4 labelings. Just don't depend on 3. Sometimes what may happen that anyone can go wrong. At that time you should have the option for getting the marks. Okay. As you know, you can get full marks in bio, you can score full marks in biology. So always write an option which can give you marks if the other question is wrong, if the other answer is wrong. Okay. So do the 4 labelings at least. Okay. And draw this diagram. So let us move to the next question for 3 marks. Next question, and the second question is again a diagram, that is draw a neat and labeled diagram of root hair. Again very simple diagram, same for 3 marks. You have to do 3 labelings. Remember, you have to do 4 labelings at a time. Okay, so as per the pattern it is like 3 correct labeling, you will get 1 mark each, that is 3 marks. But it always do 4 labelings. Okay, you need to draw this diagram and you have to label cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, vacuole, nucleus, mitochondria, root epithelial cell. Okay, any of the 4 labelings you need to remember and you have to do. Students, practice these 2 diagrams very thoroughly. There are only 2 diagrams in this chapter, and very short chapter this is. So it is most expected question for your exams. Okay, the diagram is the most expected part of this chapter in your exams. Important, you can consider this as a very, very important topic for your exam. Next question, and the third question is write a note on morphological structure of root, means external structure of root. Now here you have to write, you have to explain the structure of root. That a typical root of terrestrial plant has 4 regions from apex to the base of the root. These are region of cell division, region of cell elongation, region of absorption, and region of maturation. And you have to write this heading and you have to explain in very short about each of the region. That region of cell division means this is the meristematic region which lies at the tip of the root where the division of cell occurs. Second, region of cell elongation means cell of this region undergo elongation, and as a result length of root increases. Next, region of absorption, this is the region for water absorption and bears root hairs. Root hairs absorb water and mineral salts from the soil. The last one is region of maturation. That means cell of this region undergo maturation and forms different types of tissues. So in a very short, within like this, you have to explain each region and you will get 3 marks for this. Okay. Moving to the fourth question for 3 marks. How roots can act as a water absorbing organ? So it is very simple. How will the root act as a water absorbing organ? A typical root of a terrestrial plant shows presence of 4 regions, that is region of cell division, region of cell elongation, region of absorption, and region of maturation. So this we have studied right now. Okay, so the region of absorption is responsible for absorption of water due to the presence of root hairs. Root hair is the cytoplasmic extension, prolongation you can say, of epiblema cell. The water held in pores present between the neighboring soil particles due to capillarity is available for absorption. So students, in this way roots absorb water, that is capillary water, for the absorption. Okay. Moving to the next, that is 4 marks question. There is only one 4 marks question in this chapter, and that is already you have studied. Okay, this question is already studied by you. 4 marks question. In this, the question is explain the structure of root hair with the help of neat and labeled diagram. So the diagram we have already discussed, and structure of root hair also we have discussed. Let me explain you the root hair structure. So here in this case, when it is asked with the diagram, so 2 marks will be there for your diagram and 2 marks will be there for your explanation. Okay, structure of root hair you have to explain. Root hair is cytoplasmic extension of epiblema cells. Each root hair may be approximately 1 to 10 micrometer long and tube-like structure. It is colorless, unbranched, short-lived. It has large central vacuole surrounded by a thin film of cytoplasm, plasma membrane and thin cell wall which is 2-layered. Outer layer is composed of pectin and inner layer is made up of cellulose. Cell wall of root hair is freely permeable, but plasma membrane is selectively permeable. So you need to write these points and you will get 2 marks for your explanation and 2 marks for your diagram. So with this we have completed the solving of question bank of chapter number 6. So chapter number 6 question bank for 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks question. I have given you all the solution. You need to study. Remember students, this chapter is very small chapter. You need to study. It will be proving as a very scoring chapter for you in your paper. Okay, very limited questions are there in this chapter and very easy chapter you can say. Okay, so study this chapter by heart for your exams. Thank you very much. We will stop for today.